Hey there, are you tired of struggling behind your dryer every time you need to clean the vent or reconnect the ducting? If the answer is yes, then I definitely have the solution for you, and this might be exactly what you have been looking for. Today we are taking a look at the AlorAir magnetic dryer vent connector. Before we do that and jump into the details, quick heads up, this video is sponsored by the brand AlorAir and they sent this over for me to check it out, but as always, my thoughts remain completely honest, genuine, and based on real use. So first off, let's start with the unboxing, which itself was pretty simple. Inside the package, you get the magnetic connector, the aluminum vent collar, and the telescoping foil duct that extends up to 26 inches. And for the installation, it was super easy and straightforward, and in my case, I had to get rid of the old system that was installed before. As you can see, it wasn't too difficult. All you need to do is remove the 4 bolts that usually are a standard measure for all the dryer vents, and also connect either the included aluminum vent collar to the original one, or you could just connect it directly to your dryer. It's up to you, and in my case I just need to connect the old one to the new one to make it easier, less work for me. You basically tighten the clamps at the old one and the connector one, and you are literally done. The installation honestly took way less effort than I expected, and once everything is lined up, you basically push the dryer towards the wall and the magnetic connector automatically snaps itself together securely without needing to blindly fight with clamps behind the dryer. And in my case, I just need to lift the aluminum collar, as you can see, and it snaps on itself. One of the things that I liked most about this setup is how simple and straightforward it is. Honestly, this is one of those products that barely even needs instructions because the whole concept is extremely easy to understand the moment you take it out of the box. Everything comes ready to install, and the magnetic quick connect system makes the entire process much easier compared to traditional dryer vent setups. One of the biggest advantages I noticed immediately is how much easier it makes future maintenance. Normally, cleaning behind a dryer is annoying because you have to disconnect everything manually in a tight space and then put everything back, but with this setup, I can simply pull the dryer forward, detach the magnetic vent in a second, clean everything quickly, then push it back into place, and it snaps automatically. It genuinely makes regular lint cleaning much less frustrating. Another thing I really liked is the airtight seal this connector creates. The precision fit aluminum construction helps reduce air leaks, lint escape, and moisture loss while keeping airflow strong and consistent. That not only helps with dryer efficiency, but also makes the whole setup feel cleaner and more secure overall. The magnetic connection itself actually feels very strong and secure once attached. I was honestly surprised by how solid it stays in place while still being easy to disconnect when needed. It gives you that balance between convenience and reliability without feeling flimsy or loose. I also noticed how much cleaner the laundry area looked after installing it. Because of the telescoping vent design, the dryer can sit closer to the wall compared to bulkier rigid duct setups. That is especially useful if you have a smaller laundry room or limited space behind the dryer like I do. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about the AlorAir magnetic dryer vent connector. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the right upgrade for your laundry setup. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to grab yours and enjoy easy maintenance for long term. See you in the next video. Peace.